Friends, look at that major, look at that grand, look at Mo Mummy. It is May, and why can't it be us? Why can't it be us? Let's start with $100 in, $450 bet, 2 more, or 1. Maybe all we need. Nope, we need some more. Okay, I'm not even gonna pan up for you. So this is a pretty huge major. Now it's 900. Now the grand is 10,000. We are at the Rampart Casino, May with 2024. Okay. Can we get something to pop right now? That would be really, really nice. Okay, people. Focus your energy. Let's get hold and spin, or whatever it's called, cash collect. At this point, you know what we need. Hold and spin, cash collect. None of them are coming in so far. It's fine. Let's go back to 2 cent. $3. A spin. What are you looking at up there, Mr. Mummy? By the way, beautiful Rampart. Nice ceiling. I hope we have a high ceiling of how much money we're gonna win. Major would be nice. Just any bonus at this point. Getting any cash collect. We've been so short in our cash collect opportunities. It's been pretty painful. Oh. Okay. Pretty good. $8 on that. Mr. Mummy is in the back over there. Cash collect. Kitties. Okay. 420. What do you got over there? We need some help. Help, I think, will be coming. We're not getting any gems over here for some reason. Okay, well, there. Will one of them pop? No. Okay. Pop that cash collect. Jackpot's fine. We'll take the mini right now. Okay, we'll take that one. Oh, no. He was up there, I saw him. Good. No such luck. So far. We're doing our best. We played a lot of Mo Mummy recently, people. You already know this. Oh, 5 of a kind. That's pretty good. We've been playing a lot of Mo Mummy. We're trying to get a jackpot. We're trying to win the grand. That's a nice grand. 10,064. It's a good even number up there. It's hard to get 5 of a kind on this game. We got 5 of a kind, $24. Okay. Only down 50. So we put in a 20 for a short earlier. Trying to get a first spin bonus. We've been pretty good at first spin bonuses on this game. First spin bonus to no avail. But, whatever this is, 30th spin bonus, we'll take that. Jackpot. Nope. Oh, what are you looking at? Okay, let's get some kind of bonus feature here. Come on. Just please, we've missed so many of these. You can do it. Do it, green. No. I mean, it's a good line hit, but it's still painful. We've had so many chances for cash collects. Why does he even show up, Why does he show up for cash collects if he's not going to give it to us, Especially when we're not betting like 2 cents, we're betting $3.75. We're betting a pretty decent amount. We're not betting nothing here. Cleo. 180. He was up there again. They're gonna pop now. We don't want to let it curl up on its own time. We want to push it because we're mad. We want to see it pop. We don't know why it's not popping. 375. You know, we can get one bonus, right? We've done like okay when we're whining for bonuses. It's been pretty hard. Yeah. It feels like almost impossible to get a bonus on this game. Oh, until. Hello? Hello? We can wait. We don't want to wait anymore. Okay. 5 cent 250. Let's try that. Oh, come on. One of you. Look at this major right here. Major in the grand is 508,000. You know, this one should pop. You know, mathematically speaking. One of you, come on. Do it. Alright. We're gonna put in, oh my gosh, sorry, that was such a crumpled 100. Will our crumpled 100 reach magnificence? Will it take us to glory if I can get it in the machine? Crumpled 100. $5. Keep going. Pop it. No? Okay. 150 for that. Wow. Hello? Please? Big green. We just want one green. So you can do it. I feel it. Oh my gosh. I love how everyone next to you, when you don't get it, they're like, they nod their head like, yeah, I haven't been getting it either. I haven't been getting it either, so you don't get it either. It's kind of sad. You know? We're just trying to make a good video, you know? We're just here, May 2024, summer, spring, whatever time of the year it is. Beautiful. Hello? So the mini is 50, the minor is 150. The kitty is getting pet right here. I mean, he was right up there, like, you know? We've done so many good sessions on Omg, so many, like, just heartbreaking sessions on Omg. I don't know why. It just keeps happening. This is 2 cent 150. I can wait. No? Yes? One of you? Okay. Keep going. Still didn't show up on the screen. Hello? Let's put in our lucky $2 ticket. Okay, $2 ticket. Now, let's go back to 110. Maybe that was a lucky denomination. So we know what we have here. He was right up there. Oof. I wonder why they do that. Why do they do that? Alright, we'll try a few more spins. One of you? Nope, 60 cents. Jackpot? No. You know, we're not gonna go down to completely zero on this one, guys. Like, this is something that's like talk about with Mo Mummy. There's times when it just shows promise and you're just hitting bonuses, and there's times when the machine won't pay out, and we're not going to give all of our money to Mo Mummy tonight. We'll go find something else. We'll try a few more spins. Yeah, he does a swan dive into our money. Bob it here though. Hello? Hello? Just whine a little bit. Okay. Last spin. Alright, Mo Mummy is not going to work for us tonight, but we're not going to waste all of our money. And that's a lesson for all y'all. Don't, if you see a machine just take $150 from you without one bonus, without any help, without any kind of like, Mo Mummy, first spin bonus, I think there's a chance. There's a chance here. First spin bonus. Yes? First spin, big line hit. Okay. Let's get another one. Just pop it. Why don't you want to throw me? Oh, it did it. Oh my god. It wasn't the first spin, but it was the second spin, people. We would love a big rebate from all the pain we've had, Mr. Mo Mummy. Come on. Second spin bonus, $375. Come on, it feels nice. We just got wrecked on Mo Mummy, we just got wrecked on Huff and even more Puff. I'm sure you can imagine that those things can happen on those kind of games. Green. What? So many big ones just completely outside of our realm. Okay. Well, we're happy that that happened at least. Green. Yeah, let's get some more greens. More. Yes. One more. Okay. Those are 3 good numbers if I've ever seen good numbers, people. Okay, get to the next page with some more $56 balls, please. Okay. This is not a tiny bet, you know? We can do this. We can do this, people. Oh, mommy. Let's hit the grand. Green. Oh, okay. Minor, $30. We like to see 2 at a time. Let's get a couple more couples, you know? A couple more couples. Yes, a couple more couples. Oh my god, drop inside. Oh my goodness. None of the other ones are dropping inside, but a lot of them are dropping, and we're gonna get a full screen, potentially. And this isn't just out of nowhere, people. We just put $200 on this machine. So we just put $200 on it. We went to Huff and Even More Puff, and we came right back to reclaim vengeance. Let's go. More green. More big. Oh. Okay, mini our favorite. Another one. Okay. Oh my gosh, are we at a full screen with 5 spins? I don't think we've ever got to full screen with this many spins, people. This might be the time where the major drops. I mean, I could definitely see the major dropping right now. Let's please do it. Anything that falls right now is ours, people. We want to see some huge, huge numbers. Yes, more, please. The greens don't matter. Anything that falls is very, very good right now, so just keep dropping them. Okay, I mean, that was a small one, but we still appreciate it. Let's get something huge on these last 2 spins. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. We love that. I think we're even now for the night, at least. That's absolutely fantabulous. Let's keep it going, Mr. Mummy, please. Something huge. That's so funny that nothing came on the last spin, but we appreciate it. Almost 100x win. We're even for the night. No, actually even profit for the night, I think, just barely. That is quite an adventure. Mo Mummy, Rampart Casino, Las Vegas, May, Mother's Day. It is May. So thank you, Mr. Mo Mummy. We appreciate it. And thanks for watching, people.